Morphology is the branch of biology that deals with the form of living organisms and with the relationships between their structure. Morphology also is a frequently used method for identifying animals and plants. Sawdust is a byproduct or waste product of woodworking operations such as sawing, sanding, milling, planing. Environmental crimes, or also known as green crimes, is an illegal act which directly harms the environment. These illegal activities involve environment, wildlife, biodiversity, and natural resources. What constitutes an environmental crimes? In United States, Title 5 ENRD Section 5 to 11 of Justice Manual divides environmental crimes into four categories: pollution crimes, wildlife crimes, animal welfare crimes, and worker safety crimes. There are no international agreements that give a clear definition of what constitutes an environmental crime. What is the driving force behind environmental crimes? There are three force factors behind environmental crimes. First, high gains associated to such acts. Second, modest recognition of seed breaches and the punishment correlated. Third, high demand for traditional medicine and the arguable health benefits associated. Is dumping sawdust bad for environment? Dumping sawdust is harmful. What other more intelligent uses can we put the stuff? The resulting pollutants from sawdust briquettes conversion in heat energy are ash and air pollutants emanated through the combustion gases, carbon monoxide, volatile organic compounds, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, and particular emissions.